Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, things to know before you go to Doha, because I only visited Doha in Qatar, so I might be able to guide you about that only to my knowledge. The weather is very, very, very hot there. Very, very hot, and I have no words to describe it because the sunshine is like scorching heat. So if you are like standing somewhere on the road, the sunbeams fall on you, and that scorching heat is a bit difficult to withstand if you are not from a place where the weather is so hot. So you might want to run back to your hotel or to an air conditioned mall, that the way I had to. So it's like very hard. Like when I was going to the money changer, I was like walking, but if you're walking, it's a bit better. But if you're standing at one place and the beams are falling at you, it's very hard to bear that. So you don't sweat. The surprising fact was that I was not sweating, but it was very hot there. So I went back to the hotel, and I was like, I would come out in the evening, so you have little time to see things when it's the evening time, okay. And the evening weather was like wonderful. The weather, when the wind blew, it was blowing my mind. It was subhanallah, extremely beautiful weather. Secondly, the buses there, they are really good. The intercity buses, oh sorry, not the intercity, the bus inside the city, the air conditioned. The driver is very well mannered. He doesn't stare at you from the mirror, because I live in Pakistan and I have to face so many harassments here, so I really notice these things. Thirdly, whether being a female, I felt safe there or not. Almost I felt safe. I don't think I ever felt unsafe there. There was just one guy at night who came to me and said, I will drop you at the airport for free, and then I said no, and then he left. It was not like he was following me for hours or anything like that. Otherwise, during the day or night, I did not feel unsafe. Though there was nobody almost very little few people on the roads at night. Now you might be wondering why would I be on the roads at night at around 12 or 1. That was because my flight was at a late time, so I had to catch a bus. The buses were in a very good condition, very, very nice, and the driver was very nice when I was asking him about guiding me to go from one place to another. Then what can I do? I being a Pakistani, when I visited Doha, I think Doha was very expensive, because the food, the cab fare, the taxi fare, everything was so expensive. I think only the hotel was compared to that a bit, okay, but that was not also very cheap where I stayed. And what else? The food, you can find halal food there, mashallah. It's a Muslim country, but I always ask whether I'm in a Muslim country or non-Muslim country. I always ask whether the food is halal or not, then I have it, or if the halal logo is there. And regarding the roads are okay. I wouldn't say I was blown away, but it was like okay roads. Sometimes I used to feel a bit of bumps somewhere in the middle, and sometimes the road was smooth, but it was not like major crevices, but it was okay. And any other thing, I would say what else? I would say I think it's a better idea to visit Doha in a cooler weather. But if you're visiting in hot days, then at evening time the wind was mind-blowing, mashallah. And then as being a Muslim, I cannot visit casinos and bars, and I cannot bet, and I cannot do those type of things, prohibited things. So I don't know whether it's there or not, and I'm not interested also. And the ticket is very expensive from my country, though it's a 2.5-hour flight or 2-hour flight, but it was extremely expensive. But the ticket that I bought was a bit less expensive because of the airline that I chose, but still, for a 2 or 2.5-hour flight, I think I found it very expensive. Mashallah, if you can afford, please go for Hajj or Umrah. It's extremely important. If you are, if you can afford, and you follow those conditions, you are eligible for that. The rest is Doha was okay to visit. I mean, I would not say that I would not want to revisit, but it was okay. So I think these are the few things that come into my mind right now. And thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.